Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Halloween makeup. I'm not a fan of skeleton and creepy makeup, so my video contains the ones easy to do but still cool and fun. In this video I will feature 3 makeups from the same color theme but different characters: Catwoman, Maneskin, and vampire look.
So let's roll for the first one, Catwoman. For this look I need a strong coverage, so I use Estee Lauder Perfectionist foundation and brush from Flormar. Actually, this foundation color is a bit dark for me, but it won't be noticeable with upcoming makeup. Next step is eyebrows. I use Vivienne Savo Brow Arcade in color 3. First of all, I always brush my brows to keep in the direction before filling them in. I put the lines above eyebrows and to make more of a cat eye effect. And here we go with the longest part. I use Curl and Contour Eyeliner Pencil by Bourjois Paris in black color to draw a mask on my eyes. First of all, I put some dots that I will line together. This step is a must to make sure that your mask will be symmetrical. I will skip the filling part because it's obvious and in real time takes about 5–10 minutes. Our next step is to set our creamy texture of pencil with black eyeshadow to prevent smudging of our mask. To do this, I use my limited edition Tarte New Year palette and its brush. The mask is set, then I decided to blend mask contour for a better look. I use the same eyeshadow palette and the same brush because it has a different brush on the other end, which works perfectly for blending. I should confess that for this makeup I lost my false eyelashes virginity, so I skipped a big part where I tried to set them. So we go for lips covering. It's I'm TikTok Tint Lip Velvet by I'm Meme. I absolutely love this lipstick. And here we are. You can add contouring, highlighter, bronzer or an inner corner accent as I did. And we come to the second look inspired by Maneskin. I think this one could be the most popular makeup this year. I also apply Estee Lauder Perfectionist foundation for this look, but I mix it with NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in color Sunbeam. I'm blending it with a synthetic brush to leave all glow on my face and not on the brush. At the next stage I do my eyebrows. I thrifted this brow pencil. It costs less than $1, but it's quite good. Creamy texture sticks really good to brow hairs. I made a little rounded shape of brows than I usually do because it's closer to Damiano's eyebrows shape. Before applying eyeshadows, I use NYX pigment primer, so when I will apply glitters, they will be set well. For crease part, I'm using Sunset eyeshadow palette by Flormar, the second darkest color. It has redwood vibes and goes well for Maneskin makeup. Before going further with eyeshadows, I do contouring with Tarte Pro Glow to Go Highlight and Contour Palette. This palette is just perfect. It contains dry and creamy contouring products. Now I'm using the dry one. I made intensive shades because Damiano has sharp edges on his face. Then we return to ice makeup. I use same black from Tarte palette as from Catwoman makeup look and fill the wall lid with it and also lower lash line. And it's time for Glitter Gold Scream Pro palette by NYX. I use dark grey glitter and apply it just with my finger to the lids. For a more depth, I take my Tarte palette once again and use light grey creamy shimmer for inner corners. The final shade I do plum lips. I use Julie Levray lip liner by Vivienne Cibot in color Marsala, number 110. I always start with middle lip part and then draw lines from corners to the mid part. Then I fill lips with Instant Color Matte Liquid Lip Color by Kika Milano in color Amaranth, number 3. Oh mamma mia, that's gorgeous! Now we are aiming for a classical vampire look. For this look I used my brightest foundation, color correcting cream in fair tone by Lumine. So it makes me pale and gives these vampire unhealthy skin vibes. Yes, this Tarte palette is my must-have. It contains lots of transitional and essential colors. I use Dust Rose color for my crease. Oh, again big adventure with false lashes. But I felt that it's essential for vampire makeup. Here is again Glitter Goals by NYX. This time I took the darkest color and applied it on my lid. Then comes our friend from Catwoman makeup, Curl and Contour Eyeliner Pencil by Bourjois Paris. I emphasize lower waterline and lash line, and I needed to blend it with a small liner brush to create a beautiful arrow. Time for contouring our pale face and make it sharp. Here goes again our Tarte Highlight and Contour palette. It's so sad that now it's available only in mini format that contains 2 highlighters and 1 contouring shade. Eyebrows time. I brushed them using Brow Arcade by Vivienne Cibot, and then I applied CC Brow Oatmeal Styling Soap to make a wider look, and I returned to Tarte Eyeshadows palette to fill my brows with a black color. Again, I made more wing-like shape than the external color is up. Before lipstick, I took a creamy product from contouring palette and apply around my lips to make more shades. And again, my beloved product for red lips is by I'm Mem. I'm applying it just for a mid-lip part and blend a bit for a gradient look. Pay attention, I also use it under my eyes to create this sick look like I haven't slept for ages. And then Vampire Awakens.
So that's all for Halloween looks for this year. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and visit my Instagram to sneak peek makeups before they will go to YouTube. So bye!